What I'm looking for is a tree with a nice big trunk and very green leaves. So this one could be all right, but the leaves seem a bit dead. So no, we don't want that. No, those leaves are dying too, and it's in the shade. We want as much light as possible. Oh yeah, this one looks perfect. Take a look at that. It's got a nice big trunk, and these leaves are gonna get sunlight many hours of the day. These leaves are a great color too. You can tell they're carrying a lot of moisture because of this dark green color, and now they'll be perfect to abstract water. It's great how nature can give so much back to us. So what we're gonna do is grab a nice big clump that's sitting in the sun and wrap this bag around them. Just tie it up around the tree like that. So what will happen is the sun will hit this black bag, it'll get really hot, and it'll send a message to the trunk saying, hey, I'm thirsty. The trunk will send down water into this bunch of leaves, and that's when we can collect it. And the final thing you need to do is stretch out these corners, because what will happen is all the water from those leaves will drip down into there, and you can collect it at the end. Water collected from plants this way is safe to drink, and best of all, doing this doesn't harm the tree. So yeah, I reckon that's pretty good. Let's leave it for a couple of hours and hopefully we can come back to a nice big drink.